Are you struggling to get watch time hours or subscribers on YouTube? In this live training session, you'll learn a secret that many creators are using to get thousands of watch time hours. This training will show you how to go live on YouTube without showing your face. Here are some things you will learn during the live training: how to verify your YouTube channel so you can access all its features, including going live tricks to create sketchy titles and descriptions for your live streams. How to set up a playlist for your live stream so viewers can binge watch your content. How to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel by enabling a subscriber-only mode for comments. How to use free streaming software. OBS to go live with pre-recorded videos. How to get 4,000 watch RS in less than a week using this strategy. Join us live to learn these strategies and start growing your YouTube channel.